Hello and welcome to our podcast on the benefits of growing tomatoes in perlite. I'm excited to share with you today the advantages of using perlite as a growing medium for tomatoes, how it works, and the steps to get started with perlite. Whether you're a seasoned tomato grower or a beginner in gardening, you won't want to miss this episode. Let's start with the basics. What is perlite? It's a naturally occurring volcanic glass that expands when heated to create a lightweight, porous, and sterile medium. It's a common additive in soilless growing mixes and hydroponics, but it's also an excellent standalone medium for growing tomatoes. So why should you consider growing tomatoes in perlite? There are several advantages. First, perlite has a high porosity, which means it can hold air and water in equal amounts, allowing the roots to breathe and absorb nutrients. Second, it's a sterile medium that's free from pathogens, insects, and weed seeds, providing a clean growing environment for your tomatoes. Third, perlite is lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for small gardens or indoor growing. And fourth, perlite has a neutral pH, which is essential for ensuring the plant's optimal nutrient uptake. Now let's talk about how to get started with perlite. One way is to mix perlite with equal parts of peat moss, vermiculite, or coconut coir to create a soilless growing mix for your tomatoes. Another option is to use perlite as a standalone medium by filling a container with perlite and watering your plants regularly. Just make sure to ensure adequate drainage to prevent waterlogging and root rot. And don't forget to fertilize your tomatoes regularly with a balanced fertilizer to provide them with the essential nutrients they need. In summary, perlite is an excellent medium for growing tomatoes. Its high porosity, sterility, and lightweight make it a popular choice among gardeners. So if you're considering growing tomatoes in perlite, give it a try. And that's all for today's episode. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gardening.